Hello, Jeff Cross with Clean Facts Magazine here. I'm with Dr. Boni Passmore of RestCon Environmental. On this card it says you're an environmental scientist. Is that accurate?
No, I'm actually the lab director here.
Okay, lab director. So you direct a lab, which must mean you look under microscopes and test stuff.
That's correct.
What do you do?
People send in samples that they want analyzed for types and levels of mold, and I do the analysis.
So we're talking restoration companies who are going to do mold work. They need your help?
That's one of the programs that we have, yes. And our lab is called RC Analytical.
Okay.
And we have a program called the Empower program, which is for restoration contractors to be able to test surfaces in a structure before they do remediation.
Okay. So in today's mold world, do you see it getting busier, slower? I remember years ago there were all kinds of lawsuits. People were scared of mold. Have things changed at all?
Well, they have. In a lot of cases, when a contractor is called in to do a mold job, no one wants to do initial testing. Mm-hmm. They'll do clearance testing, but they don't want to do any testing before the work is done. And that's why we developed the Empower program, actually, is to let remediation contractors do their own testing.
Well, that must save them a little bit of money.
It does. It's very affordable, and it limits their liability, which is the big reason we offer it to them, so
okay.
They can figure out what's going on ahead of time, and that they don't expose their workers to any dangerous situations too.
Okay, good. So as a contractor who needs your help from the lab, how much time does it take to determine things, to do the testing, to get some reports back to them?
We have very fast turnaround time because we understand the time constraints for remediation contractors, and depending on the type of test that's being analyzed, the turnaround time is either 2 days or 3 days for surface testing, but we're just about to roll out a whole new program where we can determine water category, and the turnaround time for that's actually 2 hours.
Okay. One last question, kind of an editorial type question. How dangerous is mold?
Depends.
Should we fear the shower stall mold?
Well, no,
okay.
No. Shower stall mold is, it's everybody has that. That's
right.
A housekeeping issue. How dangerous is mold? Mold causes allergic reactions, so it's very individual how you react to it. The toxic reactions are less well understood, but they're definitely out there. There's some pretty bad mycotoxins that some molds do make that you don't want to be exposed to.
Good advice. Well, Dr. Passmore, thank you for your time.